Hello and welcome to this Planet Geo TreePlotter tutorial. Let's have a closer look at the Lookup table editor. TreePlotter applications have a lookup table for tree species, and some of you may have additional lookups depending on how your application has been set up. Let's log into TreePlotter as a user with admin rights in order to carry out the following. There are two ways to access the Lookup table editor tool. One way is to go into the hub, then Data Tools, and selecting Lookup Table Editor. From here, you can select which table to open. If you need to export the values to a CSV file, then here you can click on the Download button. The other way to access the Species Lookup is through the Tree Details form. On the Tree Information tab, click on the Common Name field to display the list of trees to choose from. Note that you can search here to find the appropriate common name. If it's not on the list, click on the Edit Table button in the upper right-hand corner of the table in order to open the Lookup Table Editor. You can sort the columns by clicking on the headers. To add a new species, click the Add button and it will create a new blank record at the bottom of the list for you to populate. To amend an existing species, click on the text you wish to edit to go into edit mode. Amend the text, and then click into another cell for the change to be automatically saved. To delete a record, check the box next to as many or as few records that you wish to delete, and then click the Delete Checked button at the top. That is how to maintain your lookup tables. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us at support.treeplotter.com.